Okay, so here I've written this number out again, right? So I can work with it a lot easier, rather than it written small here. We want three significant figures, so that's the first, that's the second, that's the third. They're the most important figures, aren't they? Because that represents 50,000, that represents 3,000, that represents 800. Okay, so they're the most significant figures there. Of course, that's only 60 and that's only one unit. But they want three, so I underline those three there to know which ones I want to keep. Chop off the rest. And because it's a 6, we're going to round this up, yeah? Because it's a 6, that rounds up to a 9, okay? However, with this, right, we can't just leave the answer like that, because if I left it like that, that would say 539, okay? But actually, it's not that, isn't it? When you look at that number there, it's not 500 and something, isn't it? It's 53,861. So the point of using significant figures is just sort of like have an estimate, right, of a rounding. Now that does not estimate it, okay? If I leave it like that, 539. So what I'm going to need to do, I'm going to need to replace these with zeros, okay? I'm going to replace them with zeros, so then I recognize then the actual value of it. So yeah, 53,900 is pretty close to that, yeah? We've got it rounded there, three significant figures. Now when it comes to this one, okay, our first significant figure is actually the 2, okay? It's not the 0, okay? Because 0 units means we haven't got any, just like we haven't got any tens, we haven't got any hundreds, we haven't got any thousands, okay? I could fill in all of these with zeros, couldn't I, if I wanted to? So these are not significant. The first significant figure is the first number that isn't 0, okay? So that one's 0, so you ignore that, it's that one there. Second one then is that one. So those are the two significant figures. And then I chop off the rest, okay? And because that is a 4 and it's less than 5, I'm going to keep that as it is, right? It sort of rounds down to 0.21. Now in this case, I do not need to put zeros here, okay? Because 0.21 is the same as 0.2100, okay? And you're better off not putting those zeros there, okay? Just keep it like that, 0.21.